Class 10 Geography. Summary of the chapter for first term. Part 1 compulsory, 30 marks. Chapter 1 topographical map. In this chapter you will learn about topo sheet number 45/7 and 45/10. 4 figure grid reference. The first two figures are easting and latter two figures are northing. 6 figure grid reference. 3 figures are northing and 3 figures are easting. Scale 2 cm is equal to 1 kilometer or RF 1:50,000. Contour line, contour interval of the map is about 20 meters. Relative height from the surrounding areas and spot height from the main sea level. Measurement of distance, straight and curve. Measurement of straight distance with the help of divider. Measurement of curve distance with the help of a piece of thread. Direction, 4 cardinal direction, north, south, east, west. 4 intermediate direction, northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Drainage pattern, 3 types of drainage pattern. Dendritic drainage pattern, tree-like drainage pattern, radial drainage pattern. Settlement pattern, compact settlement, scattered settlement and linear settlements. Transport, metal road, car track and pack track. Occupation, in the lowland and hilly areas, lowland and plain areas are farming. Hilly areas and forest areas are animal rearing and forestry. Color and conventional signs and symbols with the help of interpretation of topographical map. Chapter 2 Map of India and Chapter 3 India location, extent, physical division. Only map question. Mountains like Himalayas, Karakoram, Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Chotanagpur Plateau, Plain, Konkan, Kannad, Malabar, Coromandel, Nadan Sarkar, Peak, Kanchenjunga, Godwin Austen, water bodies, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat, Gulf of Mannar, rivers, Indus, Brahmaputra and Ganga and estuaries. Passes, the Karakoram Pass and the Nathula Pass. Part 2 Optional. Carry 50 marks. Chapter 4 Climate. Factors of climate like latitudinal extent, altitude of a place, distance from the sea, the relief features and the western disturbance. The latitudinal extent, the Tropic of Cancer, India divided into 2 halves. North of Tropic of Cancer lies in subtropical climate and south of Tropic of Cancer lies in tropical climate. Altitude of a place, temperature decreases with increase in height at rate of 1 degree Celsius every 165 meters. Distance from the sea, near the sea, equatorial climate and the farthest from the sea, extreme climate. The presence of relief features affect climate in the direction and speed of winds, temperature and distribution of rainfall. Western disturbance occurs in the Mediterranean Sea and inter-India gets rainfall in the plain area and the snowfall in the mountainous region. Next, monsoon and its mechanism. Monsoon, the seasonal reversal wind direction is called monsoon wind. Mechanism of monsoon depend upon the mainly two theories, the jet stream theory and the air mass theory. The jet stream theory is the upper air circulation of air current, and the air mass theory, it means the northeast trade winds and the southeast trade winds meet each other near the equator is called intertropical convergence zone, develop of maximum clouds and heavy rainfall. Next, season of India. There are 4 distinct seasons found in India: summer season, rainy season, the rotating monsoon and the winter season. The summer season develop from March to May. In this season, the wind blow from sea to land. In during season, some parts occurs dry dusty winds like Loo. Thunderstorm occurs in Bay of Bengal like Kal Vaishakhi, and the pre-monsoon shower occurs in the coast of Kerala and Karnataka, is mango shower. Rainy season or monsoon season. Rainy season or monsoon season develop in the June to September. In this month, the prevailing winds across the Indian Ocean and move in India southwest direction. The wind blow from the southwest to northeast. The wind divided into 2 branches, the Arabian Sea branches and the Bay of Bengal branches. The Arabian Sea branch struck the Western Ghat gets heavy rainfall, and the Bay of Bengal branch struck the coast of Myanmar and enter the foothills of the Himalayas or turn in northeast eastern parts of the country, gets heavy rainfall in Meghalaya. Monsoon is the highest, wettest place of the world. Rotating monsoon. The rotating monsoon in this season, September to November, the low pressure belt replaces the high pressure belt, and the wind blow from land to sea, and low pressure develop in Bay of Bengal, and the development of tropical cyclone affect of the coast of West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Clear? Next, winter season. Winter season develop in November to February. December, January, February is the coldest month, and in this month temperature is gradually decreased and 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. In during season, the western disturbance occurs from northwestern parts of India and gets rainfall in plain area and snowfall in Himalayan regions. Clear? Next, soil resources. Soil is the natural precious resources on the earth's surface. It is formed by the weathering of rocks and formation of long period of times. Composition of soil. Composition of soil, it means color, texture and formation. Color like red, blue, black and yellow color. Texture, sandy, clay and loamy soil. Formation, residual soil and transported soil. Next, types of soil. Types of soil: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil and laterite soil. In this soil, if deficiency in minerals, rich in minerals, and distribution. Soil erosion. First, the upper layer of the soil, removal of the upper layer of the soil from one place to another by natural agent and human forces is called soil erosion. Soil erosion mainly two types: sheet erosion and gully erosion. Sheet erosion is developed in the hilly areas where heavy rainfall and high speed of rains. Gully erosion develop in barren or wasteland. Clear? Soil conservation. There are some efforts used in soil conservation. First, afforestation. Second, more planting tree. Third, the soil should be conserved due to shifting band of shifting or cultivation. Clear? Next, chapter 6, natural vegetation. Importance of forest. Natural vegetation, a plant grown in naturally. Importance of forest. The forest provide valuable timber for domestic and industrial purposes. Forest provide moderate climate, influence temperature and distribution of rainfall. Forest is also help us to control soil erosion. Social forestry. Social forestry is the management and protection of forest, and afforestation is waste and barren land due to development of social environment. Agroforestry is the development of forest, the planting tree with the crops at the same land due to beneficial of food, fuel, timber provide for farmers. Clear?